I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 48 of GK for class 2, and the name of the chapter is similes, right? So similes belong करती है same चीजों को, right? Whenever we are comparing two things, right? जब भी हम लोग किन्हीं दो चीजों को compare करते हैं by using the word as or like, right? जब हम दो चीजों को compare करें as और like को use करके, तब वहां पर simile का use किया जाता है, right? So let's begin. Find out the clues in this picture to complete the following similes. So हमें यहाँ पर कुछ clues दिए हुए हैं और उन clues के according हमें find out करना है that what is the simile being used in the sentence, right? So the first one is as proud as a. So proud जो है वो कौन होता है, right? तो हमें यहाँ पर images दी हुई है some animals की जिनसे हमें इन्हें compare करना है. तो proud, so as proud as a peacock, right? Because peacock जो होता है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा proud होता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा घमंडी होता है because it is very beautiful. So that means peacock is the answer for this statement. Peacock. After that, the second one is as meek as a. So meek, as meek as a lion. So we'll write lion over here. Next, as sly as a. So sly, right? So sly means, so the second one, as meek as a. So meek जो होता है वो lamb होता है. So let's write lamb over here. As meek as a lamb, right? Next, as sly as a. Sly यानी चालाक, right? So चालाक जो होती है वो fox होता है and we all know this very well. So as sly as a fox. Next, the fourth one which says as big as an. So big, we know that elephant is the biggest animal. So यहाँ पे हम elephant लिख सकते हैं. So as big as an elephant. The fifth one, as slow as a. So हमें पता है कि snail जो होता है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा slow होता है, right? So let's write snail over here, as slow as a snail. Next, as wise as an. So wise जो होता है वो एक owl होता है. So let's write, okay. So wise जो होता है वो एक owl होता है. So yes, we can write owl over here. Owl, as wise as an owl. After that, as blind as a. Blind यानी कि हमें पता है कि जो bat होता है वो blind होता है, right? So as blind as a bat. So we'll write bat over here. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all learned similes very well, and now you can identify how to compare the two things with using similes. So that's all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.